Hey everybody, my name is Jake Brown from General RV and welcome to our virtual showroom. Let's take a look at some of the features of this gorgeous RV.
Thanks, Jake. Welcome back, General RV, Virtual RV Show. We're in front of this Grand Design 2021 Reflection 337 RLS. Becca's gonna show me inside, but first, I always like to show you guys stuff that I think is pretty cool, and I found one thing on here that I think you guys need to see because I haven't seen it before. Come on. So underneath this step, I noticed this little box here, and it's a solid stance step stabilizer. So I started playing around with it. And an alternative to having those solid steps, this little thing
So easy.
folds out and gives me a solid step feel. That is so cool. I have not seen yet. That's the first one I've seen so far. How's it feel, Becky?
It's great. Definitely a lot more stable than a lot of these, well, if it was level. But it's a lot more stable than a lot of these steps that we go up and down all the time.
Yeah, absolutely. There's no flex in those steps at all.
Yeah, that's great.
Awesome. All right, let's check it out on the inside.
Here we are on the inside. Just start in the bedroom first. So this bedroom has a queen bed. It is on a slide out, so you have a lot more space.
I noticed it felt very large when I walked in here, and that's
Right.
because that bed's on, it's an east-west bed, right? Is that what we call it?
Yep, that's what we call that.
Okay.
Yeah, exactly.
And it's a queen walk-around.
It's a queen walk around, storage underneath, just like all the other beds in the Grand Design products. There's
Great
a lot of storage.
Plenty of storage underneath there.
And then
But-
this nice, obviously, closet.
Yeah, so moving that bed from that front cap over into that slide opens up that whole front closet area.
Right. I mean, you have a whole, basically a walk-in closet,
This
right?
is bigger than my closet at home.
Yep. So it's also prepped for a washer and dryer.
Okay.
So you could put a washer or dryer on each side. That'll obviously eliminate some trips to the laundromat.
But you still have plenty of, you have a dresser.
You have a dresser.
You
would
and
still,
overhead.
yeah, and I mean, you would still have plenty of storage if you installed that washer or
Yeah.
dryer in there. Plenty of space.
Plenty of room.
Absolutely.
Perfect.
All right, so we'll go check out the bathroom. So as Grand Design always does, another large shower. They're very famous for very big showers with a seat, which is so nice to have in an RV. I'm tall, my husband's tall, he's a big guy. We don't fit in these showers very well in
You
RVs.
fit in that one just fine.
I fit completely fine in here. Obviously more storage. You've got a nice little vanity with storage in here. Another place back here, you can put your towels, linens, stuff like that through here. And then you have all of your little vanity storage down there below
Great
as well.
use of space in that bathroom.
It really is. I mean, it's a smaller bathroom, but I don't feel tight in here.
No, it doesn't look tight. Perfect.
All right, so we'll go check out the kitchen, the living room area, all combined in one. You still have a very nice large kitchen. You know, you have this huge, obviously, island with a little buffet and more cooking space here. Double door fridge and freezer, can't go wrong there. This is Norco, so this is gonna be on propane and gas. You can run it on both.
So an RV fridge, but almost the same size capacity of what you'd find at home almost.
Correct, right? So I like that. I like they have also incorporated a USB charging station. So everyone has phones, technology nowadays. So
You can never have enough plugs and outlets, that's for sure. But I
Especially in
hate
an
tying
RV.
up those regular outlets with my phone chargers.
Right. So they have 2 chargers built in right here, and a shelf, and it's out of the way.
See that?
Like that. I love all the little storage here.
I wouldn't say little, it's plenty of storage up top.
It's true, it is very big. When you walk into, you have a place right here you can put your shoes if you
see
wanted
that.
to throw your shoes down here. Can't go wrong with that. Now, you do have a nice Furrion stove. Furrion's a very, very great brand. I love this stove. I've actually cooked in this stove, and it is actually pretty easy to use.
That looks like my stove at home. Same thing with that cooktop too. Is that
Right.
3-burner cooktop
3-burner.
with a long one right in the middle too?
Right.
What a great combination.
Yeah, a lot of times you only got 2. And then this is gonna be your convection microwave. So this is exactly what you would find in your home.
And more storage, I see. So you got storage to the right, and then I saw on this side there's more storage here.
Right?
A
Yeah.
big, nice, large
All in
one-piece sink. And then this handle comes out. I'm assuming. Look at that.
Nice solid surface countertops. And I like the white. You know, it adds a little pop of not so dark. Because the cabinets are dark, and this just really just brightens it up quite a bit.
Yeah, I agree. I agree. This is a nice touch.
And I like this.
This is
bench.
different. I
This
don't
is
think I've
different.
seen this before.
Yep,
So
it is.
normally it's traditionally 4 chairs, right?
Right.
But what is this?
So it's a storage bench. I mean, the nice part is you don't have to leave it right there. You can take it out.
Oh, it's completely
Now,
removable.
You want to use this as a storage ottoman, or if you have somebody sitting over there and they want to put their feet up and they're not using the theater seating, you now have a place for them to rest their feet.
I've never seen
But
this
obviously
before.
storage as well. So if you wanted to store your linen, your blankets, and your pillows for your guests that do come with you, you have a nice place to do that.
What a great idea.
So that's that. Obviously your 2 chairs. You do have a little storage underneath of these chairs too. Cards, games, books.
I never would have guessed that's under there.
Yeah, I use that a lot. I have those in my RV, and I actually, there's all sorts of stuff in there. So theater seating, which is really nice.
I gotta sit down.
Gotta sit down. Does heat and massage. And then you can see that cool blue light underneath.
Yep, I see it in the cup holders too on both sides.
If you have somebody sleeping out here, it's nice to have that blue light instead of one of these bright white LED lights.
Oh, I didn't think about that.
Right, so if you have a guest out sleeping here, they're gonna be able to go in, come out, and it's not so bright, but still gives you enough reflection for basically a nightlight.
So you keep talking. I'm going to recline here a little bit. 'Cause
Correct.
These are pretty comfy. So
Okay.
here are my recliners. I'm right across from a nice big TV. I got my fireplace on, I see too. Talk to me about, I know you mentioned guests. If I have some guests, that's
Right.
a nice big couch. Are they just going to sleep on the couch, or does that turn into something else?
So this is a tri-fold sofa. Super easy to put out, super easy to use.
Oh, you're actually going to do it for me.
I might as well.
Yeah.
So it's just that easy. Then you just flip this down, and there's your bed.
Simple.
And then you would just store these back here. And you have a nice little place for a guest. It's not incorporating or like taking up any of your space.
Right.
You can still use one chair. You could still, if you were sleeping there, you'd be able to get out. This isn't in your way.
Yeah, and then if somebody's sleeping in here, if I'm in the bedroom and I come down, I'm not going to have to climb over anybody too.
Right.
They're tucked away.
Yeah.
And wow, that's a great feature.
Yeah, love this. The fireplace is obviously also great. You can use it as just like an ambiance or as a light, but it does produce heat as well. So if you're plugged in at a campground, that's going to be using your electricity instead of your propane.
Okay, so I don't have to, I can have a little bit of heat still, not enough to fully warm up the coach, but enough to take that little bit of an edge off probably.
Correct. Us here in fall weather in Michigan, yeah, we're gonna throw that on, and we don't have to use our furnace
I
at
love
all.
the fireplace, so that's all
Right.
up my alley there. So I also see that door next to it. We
Yeah,
talked
this-
about that earlier, and usually we don't see doors
I missed
like
this
that.
one. Yeah, you're right.
Is that a
It's
pantry?
nice, huge pantry with an automatic light that comes on. So you don't have to flip a light on or off. It's just good. When you open the door, it automatically comes on for you.
Wow.
You want to go look at the outside?
I don't think I have enough things to fill all the storage that's in this unit in addition to those. The other thing I noticed too, which I want to point out, is the nice big windows in here. It feels very open. The lighter colors help, but especially that window right over by the dinette. It makes a huge difference for natural light in here too.
Yeah, and
So-
they all open. All of these windows open, so you would get awesome cross breezes through here.
Great unit. Let's check out the outside.
All right. So first thing to notice is the big grab handle. Nice, sturdy. You do have double awnings on here. LED lights underneath both. So they are independent. You can have one out, you could have both out if you would like. Speakers, outdoor speakers.
Yep.
And this is controlled from an app on your phone.
Perfect.
Along with your jacks, your slide outs, all controlled from an app on your phone.
That's convenient.
Very
It's
convenient.
Very nice.
There is a nice huge pass-through storage.
See that too?
It's unfortunately locked and I can't open that.
That's okay.
You do have some exterior power source as well. So if you wanted to hook up a TV, you could do that. It does come with cable.
And the cable hookups are right there too.
Exactly. Yep.
Very nice.
There is a ladder on the back, so if you had to get to anything on your roof, you have a nice built-in ladder. It does come with another hitch. Now this isn't meant for towing. Now if you had a motorcycle or if you wanted to put a
I have one of those cargo racks that slide in there, right? Would work in there
exactly.
perfect.
You could put something like that on here.
Nice and easy.
And it is prepped for a Furrion backup camera to be installed as well.
Yeah, that would be nice to have. That's for
Very
sure.
nice to have in a unit this size.
Hey everybody, thanks for watching. Make sure you go to generalrv.com/virtual showroom to check out thousands of our RVs, motorhomes, travel trailers, and fifth wheels. We'll see you on the lot.